Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You may be tempted to fix a beeping security tag yourself, but do not. First, gather the proof of purchase and go straight to the customer service desk. Explain the situation calmly and show your receipt. This is the fastest verified way to resolve a false alarm. If you bought the item online, have the order confirmation handy. Once done, request that staff check the tag and either deactivate or remove it using store equipment rather than you handling it. When customer service takes over, you'll need to cooperate so they can diagnose the problem. Ask for a manager if the first person is unsure. Managers often have the authority or tools to clear tags. Make sure staff uses their deactivation device or scanner rather than you trying improvised solutions. Once the tag is removed or deactivated, politely request a short test walk through the exits to confirm the alarm is silent. This prevents repeat. After removal, keep the item visible and walk toward the exit with staff confirmation. Make sure the alarm stays silent. If it still beeps, ask for written confirmation that the tag was handled and request escalation to a supervisor or security specialist. Do not attempt to cut, freeze, or otherwise disable the device yourself. If store-level efforts fail, contact the retailer's corporate support with your receipt and incident details so they can rectify billing or security system errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.